Hey guys, I realize it is too soon to talk about the next iPhone 14 series, but rumors and leaks have begun to circulate online and my job is to keep you up to date on every details. So many analysts believe that next year's iPhone products will be powered by new 3nm silicon, but recent research suggests that this may not be the case. Apple's in-house chipmaker TSMC is experiencing something manufacturing issues that could cause the project to be delayed. According to source close to the situation, the new 3nm processors will be not ready in time for the iPhone 14 series. TSMC on other hand is likely to start producing 3nm devices ahead of its competitors. If we don't receive a new manufacturing methods for next year's Bionic chips, we are only going to see minor gains because Apple won't benefit for its increasing power efficiency. So it's only natural to assume that the iPhone 14 series will ditch the mini in favor of another huge variant, even if it lacks the Pro camera gears. A large variant at a lesser price should sell well in comparison to the previous mini series. The iPhone 14 Max is expected to have the same 6.7 inches display as the Pro Max model, but with the same internal as the 6.1 inches iPhone 14 Pro, which will have the same screen size as the iPhone 14. In fact, as Apple is expected to adopt 120Hz LTPO OLED panels for all 4 models, the two pairings may have more in common than just diagonal measurement. This year, Apple increased the maximum storage on the iPhone 13 to 1TB on the Pro and the Pro Max model. And if the source is correct, the iPhone 14 series will include 2TB of QLC storage. The source doesn't name any specific models, but if Apple is intending to offer 2TB storage, it will mostly likely be the Pro and Pro Max versions, with the remaining models capacity expected to increase from 512GB to 1TB. We don't know why Apple decided to increase the maximum storage space on the next year's iPhones, although additional camera functions could be one of the reasons for the hike. After all, recording Pro footage in 4K resolution at 30 frames per second requires at least 250GB of storage on this year's Pro and Pro Max models. 1080p 30fps Pro videos are limited to 128GB version. Based on these specifications, the next generation iPhone will be the pinnacle of the smartphone features. Let me know your thoughts on this in comment area below. With that said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.